back to my channel. So today we are going to do a clean with me video. As you can see, my room is a hot mess and it needs some little TLC. So we're gonna do that, but before I do that, I need to deep condition my hair. So I want to kill two birds with one stone. So while my hair is conditioning, I'm gonna be cleaning. I need to condition my hair because I want to install that wig that I did in the previous video. So I will need my hair to be well taken care of and moisturized, nutritionalized, whatever, before I install the wig. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And yeah, I need my room to be clean, okay? Usually I'm not a messy person, but when I get a bunch of packages and just start doing a lot of stuff at once, my room gets totally trashed. So I need to do that. I went ahead and did laundry, so my beddings are washed. I just need to put them up and put my other clothes up from the laundry. So we're gonna do that, and give me a second, I'll be back. Y'all, I'm about to go wash my hair, but you can't tell me that my hair is not longer since the last video. Like, it looks longer and fuller, and it looks good. I could literally wear it like this out. Too cute. Have y'all tried that remedy yet? Comment down below if you've tried it, because this literally is the go, okay? But also, I got a new package. I know, I'm always getting packages. But I ordered some new glasses from Amazon. And it came in like a thing of 2, I guess. Whoop. Comes in the little glasses cases and comes with the cleaner. So I wanted just glasses that I could wear every day. That doesn't have prescription, because I don't really need glasses with prescription. Just something that I could throw on with the outfit that'll be cute and look like super educated or whatnot. So I ordered these. I got a cute girly pink one. So cute. Let me see. Yeah, that's cute. I love it. It's big and it frames my face really nicely. Cute. Okay, let me try on the other one. Oh my gosh, it is so hot in this house. The AC is on, my fan is on, and I'm still hot. Maybe because I'm moving around too much. Maybe because of this ring light too. God dang, I'm hot. Whew. I'll take a cold shower after the gym. But then I got this like animal print one too. Super duper cute. Let me try this one on. Oh, she's my fave. I love her. Yes. I don't know if it's like the dark color. Oh, she's cute. Bam. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. I got my lashes done. I got my lashes done. They're so cute. I haven't had my lashes done for like, I want to say 6 months probably. But I finally got them done today because school is about to start and I just want to be like lip gloss, lashes, and just focus on my skin, because I'm trying my best to get my skin back to where it needs to be. Working out, drinking a lot of water, all of that stuff is going to contribute to my skin health later down in the future. I know I just have to be patient, but I've been doing a lot to maintain my skin health. So I'll probably wear makeup to school every now and then, but it's not going to be a habit because I really want to focus on my skin health. And the good thing also is that I only have classes at the university, I think 2 times throughout the week. Yeah, 2 times throughout the week. So yes, makeup will be at a minimal. So enough of me talking and chit-chatting. let's get to work. Okay, y'all, I'm completely washed and conditioned. I'm gonna go in with my Carol's Daughter almond milk daily ultra nourishing mask, and it's a daily damage repair. Like I said, I haven't really put heat in my hair since I shaved it, but I did put heat in my hair. Okay, so I lied. So it's not that I haven't put heat in my hair, I don't constantly put heat in my hair. So the last time I put heat in my hair, which was the first time I ever put heat in my hair, was to stretch my hair out. I blow dried my hair I blow dried my hair, I want to say literally the day before I got my braids put in. So I blow dried my hair the day before I put my braids in, just so that it could be stretched out and she wouldn't have to struggle with like flat ironing it or whatever. So yeah. For the most part, my hair is pretty healthy. Not much damage done to it, but I'm still feeling like the ends are pretty dry. So I'm gonna put this in anyways.
We are sip the honey for the day, baby. Bad man, we lost scared, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. Little let me touch and little let me love you to the morning.
Guys, I have all of this mess over here, a bunch of Amazon orders, some other orders, boxes. Look at my table. A mess. A mess. I need to get up there and organize that. Yeah, all this. I'm gonna get in there and clean in the cubicles and move all these purses and clean in there, well, on top of there. Yeah, I'm also gonna clean in my skincare fridge. Yeah, there's some stuff that needs to be cleaned in there, so that's what I'm gonna do.
We are sip the honey for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. Live If you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but everyone falls. Feeling low from the first time I see your love. You got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love we all sip the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we no scared, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time I see your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you, if you let me love you. We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. If you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town one night teaser. Need to tell them other niggas he's off. I'm falling, but
All right, y'all, so as you can see, I'm officially done cleaning my room. It's spotless, vacuumed, wiped everything down. My bed is made. Looks good. All right, y'all, so this ends the video. I have to go ahead and rinse this thing out of my hair and then also get ready to go to my girlfriend's house. I'm spending a couple days there helping her with her kid while she works from home. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching.